Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file Wyoming sales tax. We will cover the essential steps to ensure your business remains compliant. You will learn about registering for a sales tax license, understanding the tax rates, and the proper procedures for collecting and remitting taxes. Our goal is to help you navigate this process smoothly, avoiding any potential issues. By the end, you will have a clear understanding of your responsibilities and how to fulfill them effectively. To begin, every business selling taxable goods or services in Wyoming must register for a sales tax license. This crucial first step is managed by the Wyoming Department of Revenue. You can conveniently complete the application process online, providing essential details about your business, including your federal employer identification number. Once registered, you will receive your official sales tax license, allowing you to legally collect sales tax from your customers. Now, let's talk about calculating and collecting sales tax. Wyoming has a state sales tax rate of 4%. However, it is important to remember that local jurisdictions can add up to an additional 2%, bringing the total to 6% in some areas. You are responsible for collecting this tax from your customers at the time of sale. Maintaining accurate and detailed records of all transactions and collected taxes is absolutely essential for proper reporting. Finally, it is time to file and remit your collected sales tax. Wyoming requires businesses to file their sales tax returns electronically through the state's secure online portal. Your filing frequency, whether monthly, quarterly, or annually, will depend on your business's sales volume. It is critical to submit your returns and remit all collected taxes by the designated due dates to avoid any late penalties or interest charges. Staying organized ensures a smooth process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.